This is Miss Mayer, and I'm going to be reading you Bud Not Buddy. I'll be stopping and talking about important vocabulary words, key ideas, giving you little mini lessons on ideas and concepts I want you to remember, and asking you to stop and jot down your ideas. You can do that right in the slideshow by just clicking into the text box and writing your thoughts. For best learning and growth in your reading, listen to the words that I'm reading as your eyes are going along with me on the book. So when I'm reading each word, actually have your eyes on that word. That will build your reading comprehension and your reading fluency, and you'll also have a lot more fun with the book because you'll be able to catch all the funny and interesting parts. It's time to get started. Advance to the next slide, and let's begin Chapter 5 on page 36.